Welcome to Math, Kinder. How are you today? Friends, I have a question for you before we start our math lesson today. Have you ever played on a seesaw? One of these? Yeah, I have. And how do you play on a seesaw? What do you do? Does anybody know? That's right. One person gets on one side, the other person gets on the other side, and then you use your weight or how heavy you are to push down and push up, push down and push up, right? We take turns. And then we use those feet to push us up off the ground so that the other person go down and you can go up and vice versa. So I have a little video that I want to share with you and then I want to talk about. Ready?
Hi, Stella. Yeah! I love it! Push harder! Okay.
Imagine if you were on this seesaw with your teacher.
Yahoo!
What would happen to the seesaw if your teacher was on one side and you were on the other?
What would happen? What do you think? You could pause me if you want to think about it. That's right. That's right. I am bigger and taller than you. So what would happen to you if you were on one side of the seesaw? Boop. So Orozco would be right down here and you would be right up there trying to get down. Now, why do you think that is? Why would Miss Orozco go all the way down and you go all the way up? Would you be able to push yourself down and get me up there? Probably not. And the reasons for that, friends, is because I'm heavier than you are. Now, what if we had Miss Orozco on one side and then two of you on this side? Then it would be a little bit easier, right? We would be able to seesaw up and down. So today I have some cards that I want you to help me with. And then I have a keynote activity right down here that I would like for you to download on your iPad if you're at home. And you're going to help me with these cards. But first, we're going to start off with this one. It says, which feels lighter? So I'm going to show you a small button and a colored cube. So I have a small button and a colored cube. Now, if I put them in my hand, they kind of feel the same. And I really don't know. So what could tell me if it's heavier or lighter? That's right, our measuring scale, because this measures weight. When something is heavy, what happens to their side? If it's heavy, it goes down. If it's lighter, it goes up. So let's check it out. So I have here the button that's going to go in here. Boop. And then the red cube. Whoa! Friends, which one is heavier? The button is in here and the red cube is in here. So which one is heavier? That's right, the red cube, because it's all the way at the bottom and this one's all the way at the top. Now, is this heavy enough to pull this up? No, not quite. My next card is, which is heavier? So now I have 1, 2, 3 buttons on one side and 2 red weights on this side. All right, so let's take this off. All right, so I have my 2 weights and we're going to put them on this side. That is heavier, right? And that's because we don't have anything here. All right, and I have 1, 2, and 3 big buttons. So friends, which one weighs more? The 3 big buttons or the 2 weights? The 3 big buttons definitely weigh more than the weights. All right, let's clear our scale. So before I put it onto the scale, which one do you think weighs more? Blue or green? All right, let's check. So we're going to put blue in here. Okay, so far the blue one weighs more. And the green weight. Whoa! Okay, so which one is higher? The blue or the green weight? Yeah, the blue weight is just a tad bit higher. So which weighs more? Blue or green? That's right, the green. Let's clear this off. All right, friends. Last but not least, I have one more card for you. Ready? Which is lighter? four colored cubes or one silver cube? Well, we've seen the four colored cubes. Let's take a look at the silver cube. And here it is. Look at that. Friends, this is not made of wood. This is actually made of, it looks like some kind of metal. Do you see how shiny it is? Whoa, look at that. That's cool. So make your predictions. Which one is lighter? The four red cubes or one silver cube? Which one weighs less? Okay, let's see if you're right. So I'm going to put one cube here, one cube there, 3 and 4. Are you ready for the one silver cube? Ah, I think the silver cube is heavier. So which is lighter? Definitely the four colored cubes. And friends, it's easy to get confused because, you think 4 cubes compared to 1 cube? This has got to weigh less, but no, because as I mentioned, this is made of a different material. It is not wood, it's some kind of metal. And this is a wood block, kind of like the ones you used to play with in pre-K. Yeah. So friends, thank you so much for joining me today, playing with my seesaw. And remember, your keynote activity is right down here. Bye.